It would be the exception and not the rule if there was not music playing somewhere in our house.
I'm Kathy Tanner. This is my husband, Mark Tanner. We've been working with Worldwide Stereo for about 25 years now.
Our interaction began with just going to the Worldwide Stereo store in Montgomeryville and selecting components over the years to add to our system, all the way through at least 2 houses now where we've integrated sound systems as part of the design, and Worldwide has been with us every step of the way. The idea, I guess, of having music available through 40 or 50 speakers throughout the house where you can listen to different things in different rooms sounds daunting. It was a lot of work and a lot of cable. Worldwide came in and did a beautiful job of connecting everything in a way that was logical and made sense, and it looked so well organized and easy to access and easy to fix if something has to be fixed.
One of the things that's really important to me is trust. And I know that every single person who's come in here has been very professional. I can have somebody come, know that it's going to be taken care of, and I can lock up. I can't do that with a lot of people, but I can definitely do that with you guys.
With a renovation, unlike a new construction home, you inevitably encounter things that nobody predicted. And with many of the contractors, you know, everybody was pretty good. Some were better than others, and I would say Worldwide was the best. If anybody asked and they said they were considering a major audiovisual project like this renovation was, right down to purchasing a component or a television or something, you get very good, candid advice. You get a genuine desire to make sure that your expectations, which are first heard, are met. I've really been pleased and thrilled with the way they've worked with us over the years.